I think she need more female interaction. You know, maybe like a mother figure.
Well, miss, I like the sound of that.
Daddy can get snacks now.
Okay, Ashley. Nothing wrong with that. What you need to be here. Alright, miss. It was nice having you.
It was nice talking to you as well. And I hope to see you more at school, especially at parents teachers meeting.
You will, miss.
Okay.
Alright, thanks very much.
Alright. Ashley? See you tomorrow at school?
Yes, yes.
Alright, take care.
I walk with you, thanks. Yeah?
Alright.
See, miss, as last you reach home, the man them gone.
I still think she needs a woman in her life.
True, you know, miss. Just not she alone.
Excuse me?
Not a miss. Just a think out loud. Go back inside, miss. Yo, Xpressionz! Lady on my foot right now. Right now, my bro. Alright. Choppa that, you know. Choppa that, me still look wild, man.
That's why I don't believe in them politician thing and them. You see me at the rainfall and look for the community. We don't even have a road and yet still they want people to vote for them.
But father, I fold up my paper and I one job.
When him say now come back yesterday, I refund the money, I'm applying for refund the money. And the money in free there yesterday.
That's why I don't want none of them in our ears, brother. No road, no vote.
Still now, that me said to you know.
Yo, watch out now, we have to always remember what King man said. We have to always keep the peace, you see me? Because watch out. You don't want them use that against we, you know. Make them afraid to come around here. You get what I say? So peace is important. And we are going to always develop our community.
Butcher, can't keep the peace, you know, but me now left my peace.
I mean, I just, I don't lamb to the slaughter around here, man.